testing the acidity of everyday items. The objective of this project is to explore what pH is. I chose this project because I am so curious about the things that I use every day, like lemon juice, soda, or soap. What is pH? pH measures how acidic or basic something is. The terms of pH stands for potential of hydrogen. It tells us how many hydrogen ions are in a solution. The pH scale has from 0 to 14. 0 to 6 is acidic, examples like milk, coffee, or vinegar. 7 is neutral, examples like water. 8 to 14 is basic or alkaline, examples like bleach, soap, or baking soda. 0 to 6 is acidic. It has a sour taste and have a sharp or pungent smells. Some acidic vapors can be irritating. 7 is neutral. It's tasteless and odorless, meaning it doesn't have any taste and doesn't have any smell. 8 to 14 is base. It tastes bitter, sometimes soapy, can be strong and unpleasant like ammonia or chemical. It actually have 4 ways to measure the pH. First, litmus paper. Litmus paper is a special paper strip treated with dyes. It changes color depending on how acidic or basic the liquid is. Red litmus paper turns to blue when it's in base, and blue litmus paper turns to red when it's in acidic. Second, pH meter. pH meter is a digital tool with a probe. We dip into a solution or the liquid that we choose, and it will show exactly pH on the screen. 3. pH liquid indicators. Add a few drops to a solution, and it will change color depending on pH level or the color charge. And last, conductivity meters. Some tools measure pH by checking how well the liquid conducts electricity. It tells us how many ions are in the solution. The safe pH levels. 4 to 6, mild acidic, usually safe like vinegar or lemon juice. 7, neutral like pure water, is also safe. 8 to 9, mild bases, usually safe like baking soda or some soap. pH lesser than or equal to 3 or pH greater than or equal to 10. These are strong acidic or basic. They can be irritating or harmful to skin, eyes, or when we swallow. My experiment is I make my own pH meter to test the everyday items. So this is the result that I do. Mouthwash is 4, facial cleanser is 5, soy sauce is 4, bleach is 14, Coke is 2. So this is all my results. Conclusion. pH shows how acidic or basic something is. Mild acidic and basic, like vinegar and baking soda, are safe to use. Most safe substances have pH between 4 and 9. Very low or very high pH can be harmful. Knowing pH helps us use products safely in our daily life. Thank you.
Questions? I confused. Go back to the last part that show pH meter. You said, this is what I heard, you make your own pH meter. You create your own pH meter? How?
I use Uno 3 to connect with the pH meter and connecting with my laptop, so it will use to.
So you didn't create your own pH meter, right? You used it, right, to check the pH level for each material that you found in your house?
I buy the materials and then connect it together and connected with pH meters and I test it.
Yeah, I understand. So you just assemble it, right? Buy the material and assemble it, and then make it a station to check the pH level. But you didn't make your own pH meter. Okay, so more question, please. We'll finish. You said that go back to the conductivity meter. Go back. Here. You said that to check how the solution will conduct electricity, right? And you said one keyword that is how much iron in the solution. What iron?
Hydrogen ion.
Yeah, correct. So pH stand for is abbreviation of
Potential.
huh?
pH stands for potential.
Potential hydrogen of hydrogen ion. Okay, good. Good job. What else?
Okay, question. So how does the pH meter detect the acidity or alkalinity of a solution?
How it check acidity or basicity of the ion of the solution.
We can use the pH strip and pH meter to test and then look at the pH scale.
Yeah, she know how it will be like acid or base. What different in the solution that it show acid or show the base? You just talk about the name of pH meter. What different in the solution between acid and base, right? What different in its solution?
In acid or base.
The what? Actually, you can answer from the name of the pH.
Alkaline and
Do you know the answer or not? Okay, so actually it shows the degree of hydrogen ion in the solution. The more hydrogen ion, right? The more hydrogen. They say like a one scale of pH level, like from 2 to 3 is 10 times number of hydrogen ion in the solution. But I don't know, the more hydrogen ion is
The more hydrogen ion, more acidic, right? And the lesser is?
base. Good. Who else? No questions? Good job. Okay, we'll one more. What last question, Mana?
For the neutral, is it only water or there's something else that's neutral too?
it's just water because water is the only thing that's neutral.
Oh, really? Good.